What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys my new beard line called PRIMP. And in my line I have 3 new products for your beard. My first product is my Marshmallow Whip Beard Scrub. My second product is my Hibiscus Beard Oil. And my third product is my Vitamin C Tea Tree Finishing Butter. And in this video, I'm going to show you my guys how to wash and lather your beard real good, oil it and moisturize it to help your skin, and to interlock that oil with the finishing butter. And in this video, you'll see my method, and it's worked for me, and I hope it works for you. If you have any questions about my products, hit the comments below, and share, like, and subscribe our video. Peace. Okay, first step, I have a 1/4 ounce size of Marshmallow Whip Beard Scrub. And one of my ingredients in the beard scrub is pumice powder. Pumice powder is great for scrubbing all the dandruff and dead skin out of your beard. Make sure you're washing thoroughly, make sure you have a great lather, make sure you cover every spot of your beard. By now you should feel the peppermint oil tingling. That lets you know that it's clean, thoroughly. Rinse. Second step, I have my hibiscus beard oil, and the 2 ingredients in my beard oil is hibiscus and vitamin E, and both are good products of beard growth, and they also good for moisturizing the skin. As you can see, I'm applying 2 to 3 drops on each side of my beard and applying 2 or 3 drops in the front of my beard, making sure I'm covering the full area of the beard. And if you're suffering from alopecia, make sure you concentrate on those spots too. As you can see, I made sure I moisturize every inch of my skin, and make sure I moisturize every area of my beard to get the full effect of the beard oil. You want to make sure you get every area so it can enhance your beard growth. Now it's time to move on to the next step. Last but not least, I have my Vitamin C Tea Tree Finishing Butter. My beard to make sure I interlock the hibiscus oil. And I also use it for my scalp because it's an excellent moisturizer for your scalp. Now it's time to show y'all why I call my product PRIMP. Because I be primping, baby. All in the beard, brushing my hair, making sure it's straight. And you know I gotta comb my beard out to make sure y'all can see why I use my beard oil, because I got a nice beard. If you got any questions, hit the comments below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my video. Peace.